How to Understand USMLE Step 1 Immunology. Imagine trying to solve a mystery where your body is the detective and the clues are immune cells and molecules. Understanding immunology for the USMLE Step 1 is like piecing together this puzzle. To start, get familiar with the immune system's main players: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is your body's first responder, including cells like granulocytes, natural killer cells, and macrophages. These cells act quickly to contain threats. Adaptive immunity involves T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. T cells help coordinate the immune response, while B cells produce antibodies. Know the structure of immunoglobulins or antibodies. IgG, IgA, IgM, Ig, and IdZ each have unique roles, and understanding their functions helps with many exam questions. Also, grasp how antigens are presented to immune cells through major histocompatibility complex molecules, which are essential for immune recognition. Next, focus on how the immune system responds to threats. When an antigen enters the body, it triggers immune activation. Cells get activated, proliferate, and produce specific responses. T cells can become helper T cells or cytotoxic T cells, depending on the need. B cells, once activated, turn into plasma cells that produce antibodies. Tolerance is another key concept. It's how the immune system avoids attacking the body's own tissues. Clonal deletion removes self-reactive lymphocytes during development. Remember the mediators like cytokines and chemokines that direct immune responses, and the complement system that helps clear pathogens. The classical pathway is activated by antibodies, while the alternative pathway is triggered directly by pathogens. Immunogenetics is also important. MHC class I molecules are found on all nucleated cells, presenting internal proteins, while MHC class Roman II molecules are on antigen-presenting cells, showing external antigens to helper T cells. Understanding these helps with disease susceptibility and transplant compatibility. Vaccines are a big part of immunology. Know how they work to stimulate protective immunity and the differences between live attenuated and inactivated vaccines. Be aware of immunodeficiencies like DiGeorge syndrome, which causes thymus absence and T-cell deficiency. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system attacks self-tissues, like in rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. Hypersensitivity reactions, such as allergies, are exaggerated immune responses. For the exam, use high-yield resources like the Immunology chapter in First Aid for the USMLE Step 1. Practice applying these concepts with question banks that simulate clinical scenarios. On test day, expect questions that combine facts with clinical cases involving infections, autoimmune conditions, or vaccine responses. To master immunology for the USMLE Step 1, focus on understanding the core components, how they work together, and their clinical relevance. Review immunologic mediators and genetics, and practice questions that challenge your application skills. Revisit your course materials when needed, and keep your focus on how immunology connects to real-world medicine. This approach will help you confidently navigate the immunology questions on the exam and improve your overall score.